Hey kids, welcome back to the bench. Today I got a little tool haul. Got a transfer punch set, M12 fuel 1/2-inch stubby impact, some 3/8 impact extensions. I got the couple of sets of those, and then this brawn underhood light, which is lighting this up here. So stay with me here. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you in just a second. All right, back here at the bench. So today I got Pittsburgh 3/8-inch impact extension set, both the Wobble and the regular. The regular comes with a 1 3/4, a 2 1/2, a 5 1/2, and an 8 1/4 extension. So these are kind of nice. The Wobbles as well. This comes with a 1 3/4, a 3-inch, and a 6-inch. That's got the wobble tip on it, so that it'll wobble like, so anyway, kind of nice. And then I got this brawn underhood work light. So it's lighting us up right now. So if I pull this out, so this is on bright. It's got 2 settings. That one makes a funky little wave. Ooh. And then bright as well. I've got this on bright while we're watching it. I got it plugged into. It's got both the wall outlet and then a 12 volt for if you want to plug it in on your car. So this works pretty good. The magnets on this are pretty strong. They just kind of, they screw in on the end over here. So, as opposed to like some of them, some of the other brands, like, I don't know, Snap-on or whatever, they've got kind of the clamps on the hood. I don't know which one's better, so we're gonna try this one out and see how it works. So next thing is this Pittsburgh transfer punch set, 28 piece. So this has from 3/32 to 1/2-inch punches by 64ths. So this is pretty nice. I've kind of needed one of these sets. When I put the rear bumper on, I really could have used one of these for making sure the hole is centered. I had the bumper up and you had to drill a hole to get one of the bolts in, and it would have been handy. You just kind of put it in the hole that you've got and then whack on it, and it puts that punch right in the center. That's opposed to using one of these spring ones, right? That just, you kind of put it wherever and then, bam. So you can kind of hit or miss with these. So anyway, set those aside. And then Milwaukee M12 fuel 1/2-inch stubby. So it says up to 250 foot-pounds of nut busting. I think every man probably cringes a little bit of that, right? So this is the 2555-20, and this is just the tool only. I've got 4 batteries and 3 chargers, so one just sits around basically and dies. So open this up. So I've kind of been wanting one of these for a while. Pretty handy. Put a battery in there, and you've got 4 settings. This is kind of the on setting, right? And then you've got kind of low, medium, high. And I think this one is for like putting stuff on. It'll stop at a certain torque level. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to say on here, huh? Yeah, auto shut off mode, that's what it is. I don't know if you can see that there. So there's, get that light out of the way. Yeah. You know, RPM 1, 2, 3, and then auto shut off. And so it says, that's just the RPM. So 2700, 1500, wait, what? 1200, 1800, 2700. And then the other, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. 1100, 2100, 3200 inch per minute. So it says up to 250 foot-pounds of fastening torque and nut busting torque. So that's kind of interesting. Anyway, so there's that. You know, nice tool. We're going to play around, have a little bit of fun with this, I think. So see how this kind of works. I don't know if I'm going to do. Anyway, that's pretty slick. So I think what we'll do is we'll go over to the truck and see if I can't whack some stuff off with this, huh? All right. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to get some of these out. So this one here is 101 foot-pounds. So that thing's moving. It's got a, you should really probably be turning this one up there. So it's definitely spinning. If we try this one, we'll see what happens. Okay, next up, we're going to try this guy. Now, I've got to put one of these Wobble. This is a gear inch kind of Wobble. See if this will focus. There we go. Gear inch, what is that? 80671N? I don't know. So let's try that on here. So this one should be 116. And again, see if you can see that. Got it. That's it. Torque on. That's 1, 2, 3. See what we do here. Yeah, see, is that in a battery there? Is that 3? I don't know if you can see that. So, fairly charged. But it does not want to pull that out of there. So, kind of interesting. Don't know what to make of that. It says 250 nut busting. So, I don't know, maybe the sucker's on there a little harder. So let's see here. It says 115 out. I didn't feel it move. Let's keep going a little bit here. Oh yeah, I think that's on there pretty good. Maybe I misread the torque on these. Yeah, I think that's, moving around. And so that right there was 182.8. If you can see that, it's a little out of focus. There we go. Interesting. So, that's supposed to be 250 foot-pounds. Let's try this. Let's go the other direction. See what that breaks away at. Breaks away at about 140. So Yeah, interesting. Could very well just be because of that extension. So that's interesting. So there you have it. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. If you're just watching for the first time, consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and keep on wrenching.